Good morning students. In this session we will see the revision about chapter number 1, that is reproduction in organism. Now in that chapter, first of all we have defined what is reproduction. So reproduction can be defined as a fundamental feature of living organism which involves the transmission of genetic material from one generation to the next, ensuring the survival of species over long periods of time. In simple terms, it means transfer of the genetic characteristics from one generation to the another involves the reproduction process. Next, we have studied about the lifespan. Now, lifespan in simple terms can be defined as the period from birth to the natural death of an organism is called its lifespan. It can differ from organism to organism, and the lifespan may be from few minutes to several years to thousands of years. Here in this table you can see the lifespan of the different organism. The fruit fly is having the lifespan of only 1 day. Fruit fly means the flies that sits on the banana, they are known as the fruit fly. The scientific name is the Drosophila melanogaster. Butterfly is having 1 to 2 weeks, wheat plant 6 months, crow 15 years, dog 25 years, banana tree 25 years, crocodile about 60 years, human can survive up to 100 years, parrot 140 years, tortoise 100 to 150 years, and banyan tree about 200 years. Now this lifespan is mainly divided into the 4 phases. The first phase, that is the juvenile phase. Second, reproductive phase, also known as the maturity phase. Third, aging or the senescence. And the last phase, that is known as the death, that is the universal fact. Now we have seen the different types of reproduction. Mainly the reproduction, it is divided into two categories, asexual reproduction and the sexual reproduction. In case of asexual reproduction, we have seen different methods such as fission, fragmentation, regeneration, budding, vegetative propagation. Within the fission, we have seen two types of fission, that is binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission, the simplest example is of amoeba, and multiple fission, the example is of plasmodium. And next was the fragmentation. The example was the Spirogyra, that is the green algae. Third process, that is regeneration, example was the planaria. Next method, that was the budding. In that external budding we have seen the example of hydra, and internal budding we have seen the example of spongilla. And last was the vegetative propagation. Now this vegetative propagation, we have seen the different structure form, that is the runner we have seen in case of the mint plant, rhizome we can see in the ginger plant, leaf spurs, example bryophyllum, means bryophyllum can reproduce with the help of this leaf burrs. Tuber can be observed in potato, offset in acornia, and bulbil in case of agave. So these are the particular structure we have seen in case of the vegetative propagation. So students, I hope this all topics are clear to you all about the asexual methods and what is lifespan, what is the different lifespan for different organisms.